Damn. Room dirty as hell. Okay, I'm showing too much. So basically, we're about to go work on my buddy's car, which is his like, he has a 06 RSX. What we're gonna go do is change the imrc valve. He's had the check engine light on this car for quite a while now. We already changed the sensor, we cleaned the valve. It still doesn't want to take the problem away, so what we're gonna have to do is overall just install a new valve. So yeah, bro, before we go, bro, I gotta go get my stuff now. Dude, my garage is scary as hell, bro. For that, my friend Jose, one of the ones that's gonna be recording with me, like in all these videos, it's gonna be him and the owner of the RSX, which is my other friend. His name's Mikel. So first, I'll introduce y'all to Jose. Just wait till he picks me up. He should really be here like any moment now. So I'll show y'all right now. Okay, so this is Jose.
What's up?
Okay, bro. So that was Jose's, and now we're on our way to Mikel's house. Look. Time to introduce the other food, bro.
This is Mikel, bro. And this is the freaking car that we're gonna be working on for the next couple months, bro.
Right now it's a piece of crap.
Yeah. Mira. A ver.
Look.
We just went to this was grandma's house to work on the car. Now, ¿a dónde vamos?
Or at least to get freaking parts cleaners and paper towels and gloves.
And dildos.
Few moments later.
Yeah, what is that? What is that?
Someone's gonna yell at us for it. You have that someone is gonna hate on us because you said that. Someone who has a modded Camry.
No, respect our builds. Dude, you have a big ass pinnacle, dude.
Yes, I know.
Oh my god, what was that?
Wow!
Did you find it? Find it?
Check it out. Throttle, body, throttle. I can't even spell.
Spell? You mean read?
We're here. Bro, dude, we gotta get a word, dude.
One Etzas car.
Hey.
Alright guys, so today's the next day. We couldn't finish yesterday because we had bought a tool to take off the belt. It wouldn't fit to loosen up the tensioner, so now we're on our way to Mikel's dad's house because he might have the tool.
And by tool, we really just mean a long skinny wrench that can fit down there.
Alright, so what I noticed in my car, another problem was that I started hearing like something like, how do you say it? Like
grinding.
Like grinding, yeah. And it felt loose. And it felt, and like I found out that it was the motor mount that's on the passenger side. Yeah, so we have two things that we had to replace: the motor mount and the imrc valve.
Llegamos. ¿Quieren ver algo extravagante? Miren.
Nice.
Dude, check out this dude's motor mount. It's like freaking inverted. You guys see that? But this dude's car is a 10-feeder.
Yeah, it's similar to like
Harbor Freight?
like AutoZone.
Or like how? A ver, la línea 5.
Alright, keep walking.
Ay.
Just keep walking.
Over here. 5 was over here.
Dude, like, look, like, his neck is like so.
Black ones. Oh, yeah. Excited over zip ties.
What's the Hey!
Alright, we're about to leave the I cut ripped off. These taste exactly the same as Arizona. Alright, we're here in Napa.
We need Hut Junior, bro. Mira.
What's my mask? The puppies.
Oh well. So how we were saying that we might have to, we're gonna have to do it through the brackets. Just in case, if we can't, we're gonna get another wrench. See, a huevo, we have to take the power steering off, but hopefully we don't. But just in case. Thank you. Finally took the stupid bracket off. We took the intake off, and now we're gonna take the intake manifold. And first, we gotta take the throttle body off. We're done, bro. It's hora to put the motor mount on. Time to take the motor. Dude, look how messed up this is, dude. Moving on. Dude, it was in need.
Obliterated. Just like my heart.
Okay. Dude, so we finally finished. Look, come here. Motor mount. Right here, look. See that? But it's okay. Good job. Look, let me show you how your motor mount should not look like.
And he on X Games.
Check, bro. Look at this. See, this is this. Look, come here. It's the same exact bolt. It's supposed to be. Look at how bad this is. Look at the gummy. Look at this. The bolt snapped in half. At least we're done with this. We're done with the imrc valve.
Damn, papi, ¿cómo tenías tu carro así?
At least we're selling it soon, bro. We're gonna be getting different projects in the future, though. We're finally done, bro. But look at my hands. Look. Did this fool help me?
Yeah, no.
What are you doing? Comiendo tus paletas.
Dude, this dude. Go start up the car now. See. Hey, we didn't break the engine. We didn't break the engine. We didn't break nothing. Everything went good. Look, it's running good. Now we take this.
¿Cómo te sientes, papi?
I'm just kidding.
Hey, yo. Bro, after working all day on the car, bro, we have to treat ourselves, bro.
Look at this mess. I knew I couldn't trust you.
But,